Hello friends, so today we will see how to play Happy Birthday tune, and as we all know, it's a very much popular song as well as it's very easy to play. So for this we will play it on C major. First we will go through the song once and then we will see how to play the notes. So, first line we will play 2 times third string open like this. I'm not pressing anything, just giving a stroke on the third string. And then third string second fret. Then again third string open. So third string open, third string second, third string open, then second string first fret, second string open. So how it goes? Third string open, third string second, third string open, and then second string first fret, second string open. Very easy. Then second line, the first half of the second line is also same. That is third string open, third string second fret and third string open. So what is the second line? And then instead of playing second string first fret and second string open, you have to play second string third fret, second string first fret. So what is the second line? That is means third string open, third string second, third string open, and then second string third, second string first fret. Now come to the third line. So what I am playing, third string open, and then first string third fret, then then the first string open, second string first, second string open, third string second. Once again, third string open, first string third, first string open, second string first, second string open, third string second. So then first string first, first string open, second string first, second string third, second string first. So what is the fourth line?